To make this fried rice, we're going to begin by marinating our chicken wings. You can use whatever protein you have. I'm adding salt, cooking stock, soy sauce, chicken spice, garlic, chili paste, garlic and ginger paste, and I'll combine all of that and allow this to marinate. I also added my onion, which I have grated, and I cook this and then grill in the air fryer. I'll sieve the chicken stock to remove residue from the chicken. Pour the stock into a pot. Add salt into the stock. Pour in your thoroughly washed rice and spice this up with white pepper, bay leaf. Add yellow or green pepper to your rice for flavor and taste. Cover to cook. When your rice is about 70% cooked, take out your peppers. Let's put all of this together. Saute your onion. Add curry. This for some time. We begin to fry our vegetable. Let's start with the green pepper, yellow pepper. Fry for some time. The other vegetable and fry this for about 3 minutes. That's ready. I'll gently add the rice in bits and then stir. In place of liver, I'll be using beef, which I have previously cooked and air fried. There you go. Our fried rice is ready. Enjoy.